We want to lift off the whole top off this washer to gain access to your UI board. So we got to remove this screw here. And you have another screw to the right. Once again, these are 1/4 inch size. Okay, grab your screws, put them off to the side. Now we're gonna come around, and I want you guys to grab a set of pliers just like this, because there are 2 ways to remove this UI control panel. One of them is taking a putty knife, sticking it in between the panel and also the bottom here, but a lot of times you don't have sufficient room because of this hinge right here. You're gonna need a standard screwdriver, a small standard screwdriver, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna get up on the side right here and wedge in between the cabinet and your top portion here, and then you'll pull forward. Because there is some kind of lock mechanism there, and if you don't wedge up and pull forward, it will not release it. So let's go ahead and go over to the other side and do this. Now, not always on all washers, but on this one right here, it definitely has that little lockout. So we'll kind of wedge in here, lift, and you can see, there it is, boom. Now it was released. So you want to come as far forward as you can, pry up, and pull. Okay, so here's a clip to the right and to the left. Grab your pliers, squeeze those clips, and that releases the UI board. Okay, bring it back down slowly. We'll come around, and now we can lift our UI board up out of the way and flip it over. And you do have a connection right here to your control board for your UI board.